Welcome students in my YouTube channel which is Biology by Mahesh sir. Today we will take the NCERT chapter 1 for RBSc and CBSE which is diversity of living organism. So it is a common for RBSc and CBSE and the topic and chapter name is diversity of living organism. So first we take the definition of diversity. What is the meaning of diversity? Diversity meaning it is an area where the different type of species, the different species A, B, C, D, E, and all species not related to, that means some are plants, some animals like animal species, some amphibia present, some reptiles and lower invertebrates present. So the area where different type of species, different type of animal, different type of organism present, the area is or the term is called diversity. Clear? So again repeat the definition which is systematic definition. The specific area which contain the different type of organism is called diversity. Clear? We can observe the diversity in laboratory also. We can observe diversity in the biology class also. We can take the example of diversity in garden also, where the green plants, then grasses, then grasshopper, small insects, birds, tree, so they all are different organisms. So here the diversity is clear. So it is the meaning of diversity. Next we take the definition of classification. So all are terms related to the chapter 1 which is diversity in living organism. So second is classification. First the systematic definition of classification. The process by which scientists or taxonomists arrange the organism on the basis of similarity and dissimilarity is called classification. The two words similarity and dissimilarity. The two words, the similarity and dissimilarity. What is the reason? The reason is that in diversity, the different type of organism present. Different type of organism means A species, B species, C, D, then E, F, G, H. And all species unable to understand, unable to categorize and unable to know their features without the systematic arrangement. So taxonomists arrange these all organisms in systematic manner on the basis of similarities and dissimilarities. That time the word is called classification. So classification always depend on similarities. So similar organism remain in the same group and dissimilar organism make the new group. So it is called classification. So two definition, one is a diversity, second is a classification. Next is third, which is taxonomy. Taxonomy means the branch of science which deal with the study of classification, nomenclature, is called taxonomy. Again repeat, the branch of science will deal with the study of classification or the classification, nomenclature and systematic arrangement of an organism is called taxonomy. So taxonomy is the branch and these taxonomy responsible for arrangement of organism on the basis of similarity and dissimilarity and also nomenclature. So it is taxonomy. Next is a nomenclature. Nomenclature means the process by which every organism provides scientific name. The scientific naming of an organism is called nomenclature. So again repeat the perfect definition of nomenclature. The scientific naming of an organism is called nomenclature. It is two types, binomial nomenclature and then trinomial nomenclature. In binomial nomenclature, bi means two word in nomenclature and these two words are, first is genus and second word is the species. So that's why it is called binomial nomenclature. And second, when we use the three words in a scientific naming, that time it is called trinomial nomenclature and three words are genus, species and then subspecies. So that time it is called trinomial nomenclature. So all are terms related to the diversity and classification. Next is the systematic. The branch of science will deal with the study or the arrangement of organism on the basis of similarity or classification, identification, nomenclature. So that time the branch is called systematics. So these are the 5 definitions which related to the diversity in organism. Again we take the first topic, which is diversity. Diversity I explained already. The diversity means the different life form which present on a same area is called diversity. Second, classification. So it is initial or first chapter for 11th by your student. So it is a very important that what is the meaning of classification, why the classification is essential, and how classification did by the taxonomist. All are very important topic. After then we will take the next, the different classification like 5 kingdom, 2 kingdom, 3 kingdom classification and domain type of classification. So these all are the topic related to this chapter. Clear? In next class we will take the different type of classification of an organism. So thank you for watching my video. If it is useful for you, so please subscribe it, because it is available subject wise as per subject, not only the very specific topic. That means first I will provide the terminology of classification, after then different classification, and I will provide the PDF notes in my comment link. So thank you for watching my video.